Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting what insurers need: the MA or MAID, proof of purchase, and any existing policy identifiers. Dial *#06# now or open settings about to read the MA aloud, then photograph receipts. Once done, note the exact phone model and serial. These details alone determine eligibility. Make sure to record the date of purchase and where you bought it, because insurers often require purchase windows and specific retailer information before proceeding. You now verify coverage by contacting the insurer directly through phone, their app, or the website. Enter the MA and policy number to pull up the file. Once the record appears, read the coverage types aloud: theft, accidental damage, or manufacturer defects, and identify clear exclusions. Make sure to confirm deductible amounts and any claim windows. Some policies require reporting within 24 to 72 hours. Also check whether repairs must go to an authorized network to avoid claim denial. You file the claim by uploading photos, the MA, purchase proof, and a clear incident description. If theft occurred, include a police report. After submission, expect an acknowledgement and an approval timeline. Schedule repair or replacement only with the insurer's approved vendor to keep the claim valid. Once approved, follow instructions for payment or drop-off. If something goes wrong, immediately document the issue, request written reasoning, and escalate to a supervisor or file a formal complaint while keeping all timestamps and records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.